Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're going to talk about the best Veleashe lashes available in the market. The Veleashe Lashes 10 Pairs Natural Fluffy False Eyelashes Soft Wispy Lashes 3D Faux Mink Lashes Pack in Style Glam. These Veleashe lashes are designed to enhance your natural beauty effortlessly. Made from high-quality fibers, they offer unmatched softness and comfort, ensuring you feel at ease even after extended wear. With 10 pairs per package, achieving your desired look is both convenient and affordable. These lashes mimic the look of your real lashes, providing a stunning 3D effect for a fuller, more dimensional eye makeup. Wearing these false eyelashes is a breeze. Simply pick up the lashes, apply lash glue on the band, place them on your natural lashes, and wait for the glue to dry. Perfect for beginners and makeup enthusiasts alike, you'll achieve the best results in no time. These Veleashe lashes are suitable for party or professional applications, such as weddings, events, taking photos, going out at night, or everyday use. They are cruelty-free and vegan, making them a great choice for those who care about animal welfare. In conclusion, the Veleashe Lashes 10 Pairs Natural Fluffy False Eyelashes Soft Wispy Lashes 3D Faux Mink Lashes Pack in Style Glam are a top choice for those looking for high-quality, affordable false lashes. If you want to enhance your natural beauty effortlessly, these lashes are worth a try. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more product reviews on Product Critique.